Hello guys, I'm Furby Leopard, and today we're gonna do a quote-unquote repair video, or more like refurbishment, but you get the idea. So, this Furby Baby. Now, this Furby Baby I bought a year and a half ago, I believe, and it worked perfectly fine. In fact, let me explain. It's just a little quiet. The speaker received a drop once, actually twice, I think. And since then it got a lot more quiet, and that's basically the reason that I want to open it up, because I have a speaker here that works a lot better, if I recall correctly, than the one that's inside. I'm gonna show you guys how this thing sounds like now. So, like, it doesn't sound super, like, mute standards, but it's pretty quiet. You might have a hard time understanding what's going on. So I'm just gonna open it up. Just one for... I just sometimes just like to see what's inside certain Furbies in my collection. It's also gonna be my first time opening a Furby Baby. So, yeah, not the most expert in this. Oh, was that meant to happen? What the hell? How fun and wacky and not fun. I can get that out. Yep. And thus we have a naked Furby Baby. And the speaker seems... let me see how damaged it is. Damaged quote unquote, but like... get the idea. That's a bit interesting. Whatever. Let me just take that out. Alrighty. Again, nothing to change it, but yeah, the speaker looks like it's the same. Take that out. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna solder that there first as a quick test, and then we're gonna move on. Ah, I see. Well, that's bad. Let's I can try to get this off of the shell. Yeah, that explains why it wasn't working. It's a speaker for the baby. It looks, oh what, about the same that I have. Okay, now let's test it working. It sounds great, honestly. Yeah, it sounds great. It just sounds great. I'm not gonna bother with the zip tie and sewing the ears back on for now. But look, at least it works now. It works better than it did before, for sure. Also, the interesting thing is, like, this came off of the faceplate, okay? This is just snapped off. There's some writing on here, like MD, possibly? Probably just some turn code. I don't know. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, maybe I'm just gonna continue doing this type of repair kind of videos. Yeah, let me know. And as always, thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.